Hi, I'm Slavik with iDrinkCoffee.com. In this video, I'm going to be comparing the Breville Barista line of home espresso machines. I'm going to be discussing the differences so you can make an informed choice as to which one may be right for your household. The Barista line currently consists of three different models: the Barista Express, the Barista Pro, and the Barista Touch. First, I'll mention some of the similarities between these machines. And you'll notice, of course, they all have integrated grinders, and that's what the Barista series is. It has an integrated grinder so you can grind your coffee fresh into your portafilter and extract your espressos. The machines are also the same size. They take up the same amount of space because the footprint on these is identical. Now I'm going to discuss the differences between the three different models. We start with the Barista Express. And the Barista Express is a machine that's long been one of the best sellers in Canada. It's actually our best-selling espresso machine in this category. We sell a ton of them, and it's very well received and very well reviewed. Basically, the machine has everything you need to get started in espresso. It has an integrated grinder. It has programmable dosage, single and double dose, so you can program your size, and hot water, steam for your cappuccinos and lattes, all in one shell that's a good size, that's very attractive to a lot of people. That's what makes it so popular. It's a great starter machine. The middle machine in the lineup is the Breville Barista Pro. And the Pro is a more recent machine than both the Touch and the Express. It just came out, after those. And it introduces some new technologies which Breville now has. And the main one being the ThermoJet Thermoblock. This new Thermoblock has an incredibly fast heat up time. So this machine goes from cold to hot, ready to make coffee within only a few seconds. And same on the steam side. You can get steam almost instantly, go from espresso mode to steam mode almost instantly. You'll also notice there's a display here, and this is your dashboard that shows you all your programming and everything you need to make changes. The dosing on the Pro is also volumetric instead of time-based. So you have true volumetric dosing. You can set your shots up, your single and your double very easily. And the Pro also has a stepless grinder. So the grinder is a little bit different. There's no clicking. We just move the dial. You do have a reference point here on the screen. It does change, but there's no clicks, so it is a stepless grind adjustment, and that's really nice if you really want to dial in your espresso to get the best possible results. And finally, we move to the Barista Touch, and this is the highest end model in the lineup. The Touch features a beautiful touch screen here, which is very responsive and easy to, kind of navigate and press the buttons. You can select your drink. You have a large drink menu. You select whatever drink you like, and it goes into the brewing menu, which tells you, of course, to grind. So you set your grind up, your brew, which is in the middle. You would, for how long you're brewing for, and then the feature that is really neat on the Touch is the milk frother. So this milk frother has a temperature sensor built in, and it does all your milk frothing automatically. You can set what you like your temperature to and how frothy you want your milk, and the machine does the rest. So it's very automated, and it's capable of producing incredible milk-based drinks, cafe style and cafe quality. Now, how do you choose which machine is right for your home? Price, of course, is a consideration, and these machines are arranged in price from least to most. So it starts with the Barista Express, then the Pro, and then the Touch. But really, the features are what's most important. The Barista Express has everything you need to get started in espresso. You have your grinder and your machine. Those are the two main components. But Breville also includes things like a frothing pitcher. They include their distribution tool, the Razor, with all of these machines. So you have everything you need to get started. This is a great introductory level machine. If you're new to espresso, you buy it and you're ready to go right out of the box. The Pro adds a few additional features which are desirable if you're a little bit more experienced or if you want more control over your coffee. You have the ability to switch between steaming milk and making espresso very rapidly and very easily. You have one-touch Americanos, the stepless grinder. This is a great machine if you're a little bit more experienced or you want that additional control. And then we have the Touch, and this machine is a great choice for someone who wants more ease of use. You have the touchscreen interface with the drink menu, which lets you select what drink you want to make. And also the automatic milk frother with the thermometer built in makes frothing milk a snap. That's one of the things that people struggle with most, is getting that great texture for your milk-based drinks, for your cappuccinos and your lattes, and this does it for you automatically. So this is a great choice for someone who wants that ease of use and that ability to make drinks quickly and easily. For a more detailed look and demonstration of these machines in action, please see our YouTube channel where we have videos of the individual machines. If you have any questions with regards to the Barista series or any one of our products, please feel free to reach out and ask for help. We're always ready to offer it. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like these, more videos about coffee and espresso. Thank you for watching and have a great day.